Hello everyone. This time, we will introduce 5 particularly recommended radium hot springs under the title, Top 5 Radium Hot Springs in Japan, perfect for maintaining health. Radium hot springs contain trace amounts of radiation, and it is said that the Hormesis effect can promote metabolism and improve immunity. The Hormesis effect is the action of small amounts of radiation and chemicals, stimulating cells moderately, enhancing the body's defense functions. Specifically, it can activate antioxidant enzymes, improve DNA repair function, and improve stress resistance. It is believed that this action prevents cell aging, and helps maintain health and prevent disease. It is also known that many cancer patients visit these hot springs in search of these effects. The radiation from radium hot springs activates the repair function of cells, and they are attracting attention as a natural therapy with few side effects. In addition, they can be expected to improve blood flow and have a relaxing effect, so they have been popular with health-conscious people for a long time. Among the radium hot springs scattered all over the country, we have carefully selected facilities with particularly excellent efficacy. Let's take a look at them from the 5th place. 5th place, Ryuo Radon Onsen, Yutopia, Yamanashi Prefecture. Ryuo Radon Onsen, Yutopia, located in Kai City, Yamanashi Prefecture, is known as a hot spring containing a high concentration of radon. It is also equipped with a radon inhalation room, so you can experience the effects of radon both by bathing and inhaling. It also has a spacious large bath and an open-air bath, making it the perfect facility for relaxation. In addition, the facility is equipped with a sauna and a bedrock bath, which are recommended for those looking for a detox effect. There are various facilities that can be enjoyed by families and friends. Radon hot springs have the effect of promoting blood flow and increasing metabolism. It is said to be particularly effective for those with poor circulation and chronic fatigue, and regular use can help improve your physical condition. It is also said that the ingredients in the hot springs promote skin turnover and have a skin beautifying effect. 4th place, Murasugi Onsen, Niigata Prefecture. Murasugi Onsen, located in Nagano City, Niigata Prefecture, contains a large amount of radium and is also known as a miracle hot spring, boasting an abundant flow rate of 483 liters per minute. It is expected to have anti-aging effects from within the body and various other health benefits. In the open-air bath surrounded by nature throughout the 4 seasons, you can spend a time relaxing both physically and mentally. This hot spring is one of the few radium hot springs in Japan, and is particularly popular among cancer and rheumatism patients. It is believed that the radiation hormesis effect of the hot spring activates the immune system, and many people from all over the country actually visit the hot springs for therapeutic purposes. There is also a restaurant in the hot spring town that uses local ingredients, so you can enjoy both food and the hot springs. 3rd place, Misasa Onsen, Tottori Prefecture. Misasa Onsen, located in Tohoku District, Tottori Prefecture, is known as a hot spring resort with one of the world's highest concentrations of radon. The synergistic effect of inhaling radon and bathing can be expected to improve natural healing powers and relieve rheumatism and neuralgia. There are many inns and day trip bathing facilities in the hot spring town, so visitors can easily enjoy the benefits of the radium hot springs. The unique feature of Misasa Onsen is that you can drink the hot spring water, making the most of its ingredients. It is said to regulate the stomach and intestines and is good for digestive disorders, and drinking it regularly will contribute to maintaining good health. In addition, Misasa Onsen also offers spa treatments using the hot spring water, which are popular not only with tourists but also with local residents. Also, near the hot spring is the Nagarito Hall of Sansuji Temple on Mount Midoku, which is designated as a national treasure of Japan. This temple stands in the middle of a rugged mountain path, and is a famous spot where you can get a great sense of accomplishment just by visiting. Many tourists visit Misasa Onsen because they can enjoy the hot spring and historical architecture at the same time. Many inns in Misasa Onsen offer hot spring therapy plans, and the environment is in place to promote physical recovery through long-term stays. It is a spot where you can maximize the power of the hot spring and refresh both body and mind, and people from all over the country visit it without end. 2nd place, Tamagawa Onsen, Akita Prefecture. Tamagawa Onsen, located in Shinbaku City, Akita Prefecture, is famous for its highly acidic spring water with a pH of 1.2 and high concentrations of radium. The hot stone bath is especially popular, and you can warm your body from the inside out with natural hot stone baths that use geothermal heat. It is also known as a hot spring resort, and many people visit for the purpose of improving their health and recuperation. Tamagawa Onsen has a unique Unohana hot spring mineral deposits, whose components are said to have the effect of promoting skin metabolism. Tamagawa Onsen is also popular with cancer patients and those with chronic diseases. And the hot spring facility offers long-term stay plans. It is said that you can get benefits from the inside of the body by not only soaking in the hot springs, but also drinking the hot springs or inhaling the hot spring mist. In particular, for those with respiratory diseases, the hot springs components are said to have the effect of widening the airways, and the environment is well equipped to recuperate while relaxing. In addition, the area around Tamagawa Onsen is blessed with nature, and one of its attractions is that you can enjoy beautiful scenery in every season. Many tourists visit the area, especially during the autumn foliage season, as they can enjoy the hot springs and the spectacular views at the same time. There are also hiking trails nearby, so you can enjoy outdoor activities along with the hot springs. First place Masutomi Onsen, Yamanashi Prefecture. The honorable first place goes to Masutomi Onsen in Hokuto City, Yamanashi Prefecture. Boasting one of the world's highest radium contents, it has long been popular as a therapeutic spring. The source temperature is low, and soaking in the warm water can have a relaxing effect and regulate the autonomic nervous system. Masutomi Onsen also has a drinking facility and is said to support health from the inside of the body. The hot spring ingredients have the effect of enhancing immune function and are said to be particularly useful in improving chronic fatigue and lifestyle-related diseases. In addition, experts who practice hot spring therapy are on site, and health consultations and relaxation programs are also available. The surrounding natural environment is also wonderful, and you can enjoy bathing while enjoying the scenery of the four seasons. Many tourists visit especially during the autumn foliage season, and you can enjoy not only the hot springs, but also hiking and forest bathing. There is a clear stream flowing nearby, and you can listen to the babbling of the river while taking a foot bath, which is perfect for refreshing your mind and body. Masutomi Onsen also offers long-term stay plans for hot spring therapy, and many repeat customers visit regularly. They also offer a nutritionally balanced menu, using local ingredients, supporting your health through both hot springs and food. These are the top 5 radium hot springs in Japan. Each of these hot springs has its own unique charm and efficacy. Be sure to visit and refresh your mind and body. Note that the efficacy of radium hot springs varies from person to person. If you have a specific health condition or illness, we recommend that you consult a doctor before using the hot spring. In addition, it is important to follow proper bathing methods and enjoy the hot springs within your limits. Thank you for watching until the end. If you found this video helpful, please like and subscribe to our channel. Also, please let us know your opinions and thoughts in the comments section. Stay tuned for the next video. Thank you for watching.